So we're back again with another quick video showing you how to remove the rear door handle on a Mercedes E-Class. So what you have is you have to peel back this trim, which is held on a couple of clips. So you have 3 clips, and if you slide it to the right, it'll come off the clips and you can slide it back onto them, which for me saves damaging the clips potentially by pulling them out. Now I'm going to try and show you inside the hole. It may not be possible, but I'm going to try. As we're painting the door, I've removed that trim anyway. So as I want to show you the Torx bit inside, I'm going to try and remove one of these clips. Yeah, the clip itself has just fallen to bits. So we are going to have to source another one of those clips. Right, so we've got So I've taken the clip out so that I can actually get the light in, and you can see inside there. So we're using the clip hole to shine the torch in, and you can see in there the T20 Torx bit. It's a relatively easy job on this one. So on this, I've ended up switching out to an Allen key. It's the only thing I've got that is deep enough. None of the Torx bits for the screwdriver are deep enough to fit in, whereas this one has gone in, and I'm now able to wind out the screw, albeit it is digging into the hand because it's quite tight, and this is a very short Allen key. So it actually turns out and turns to a stop. So I believe it's the first one I've done, so you'll have to bear with me, but that's turned out and stopped. I believe now that it's a case of removal of the inner plastic behind, and then the handle comes out. Hope this has helped somebody who is unaware of how to remove the handle or is struggling a little bit. We're obviously doing a door repair and painting the door, and we needed to get the handle off for that reason, so I just thought I'd do a little video to show you how to do it. If it has helped you, please hit the like button, and obviously we always appreciate you to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.